So like I was just saying, we're going to do a couple of warm-ups or stretches because I'm starting to get sore. I know some other people doing this every day are starting to get sore. And then we know in yoga and in life also, everything is a metaphor. So for me, what I'm feeling is like a lot of tightness here around my heart. So I think since this is the meditation to clear past lovers, like all of that tightness is coming to the surface and it's ready to be released. So good thing we have like another 30 days that we get to work on that. And then I'm also feeling sore in my back, which I'm also interpreting metaphorically as maybe like my backbone. Either my backbone is strengthening or it's something that I can look at. So where do I look at myself in relationship with others, with myself, or maybe I need to have more backbone? Where can I strengthen that? Where is my heart tight? Where am I not opening my heart? So everything is a metaphor, like I said, particularly in yoga class, but in all of life, if we're open to that interpretation. So I thought for me, I know what my body needs. If you guys need something else, let me know. It would be good to bring our hands behind our neck, interlace our fingers, and spread our elbows wide. We're going to inhale left, exhale right, inhaling Sat, exhaling Nam. So go at your own pace. Really spread your elbows. That's what's going to help open your heart and also to stretch your pectoral muscles. Inhale, center. Suspend the breath, apply the root lock, start to feel the energy up and down your spine. And now we'll bring our hands to our knees and we're just going to do shoulder shrugs. So inhaling up, exhaling down. Breaking up all that tension, breaking up all the karma and the thought patterns. Our shoulders are related to our brain. So our ways of thinking, we can break up and start to reorganize, redirect. Inhaling Sat, exhaling Nam. Inhale up, squeeze, take every bit of tension you can and tense all of your muscles. And exhale. And for our last warm up, we are going to take our hands and clasp them behind our back. We call it Yoga Mudra. And we are going to extend our arms back. So we're opening up our chest and our heart again. And we're going to exhale as we come down and inhale up. And really stretch your arms behind you. Open up that entire chest cavity. And inhale up, squeeze, stretch the arms back, stretch, 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 open that heart, present it forward, and exhale. So we'll tune in now. Oh, and we have another person. Good morning. You came at the perfect time. Oh, there you are. I was like, I don't know who this is. So we just did some warm-ups. So we are going to tune in now. I'm going to share my screen really quickly. And we'll share the computer sound. And here we are. All right. So we're going to tune in with the mantra on the left, Om Namo Gurudev Namo. We're tuning into all of the saints and sages, all of our teachers, and most importantly, our higher selves. And then we will tune in with the protection mantra on the right. So we'll chant the first mantra 3 times and then the second mantra 3 times. So bring your palms to the center of the chest. Really applying some pressure in both hands, balancing the hemispheres of the brain, and then locking into our heart center. Take a deep inhale with me. And exhale, relax, bring yourself into the present moment, root down into the ground. And inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. Suspend the breath, apply the root lock and squeeze the rectum, sex organs, and navel, pushing the energy in and up your spine. Hold and exhale. Inhale for the protection mantra. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Siri Gurudeve Name, Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Siri Gurudeve Name, Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Satgure Name, Siri Gurudeve Name. Inhale and hold. Apply the root lock. The root lock actually helps us to clear karma through every vertebrae of our spine, that we push that energy in and up. And exhale. We're going to start with the first meditation, which is to clear the woman's arc line for women, and then to clear the heart's energy field for women and men. So our elbows are in at the side of our body, and our index finger and our middle finger come up, and our thumb holds our other 2 fingers down. And we're going to touch our 2 fingers in at our heart center and then fling them out at a 45-degree angle. We're using the mantra HUD. So I'll turn the mantra on and we can chant with it. So we are chanting. So it's like HUD, 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 HUD. And our eyes are focused at the tip of our nose. They're just barely open, glancing at the tip of our nose. Let me start the timer. and get you a mantra. I'm not going to play it too loud because I don't want to wake anyone up, but there will be a mantra playing in the background. All right. So eyes at the tip of the nose, fingers extended, and let's go. Hari, 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 Inhale, open. Suspend the breath, apply the root lock, squeeze the rectum, sex organs, and navel, pushing the energy up to our third eye as we squeeze our arms behind us. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Exhale. Inhale. Suspend the breath. Focus the energy at the third eye. Magnetize how you want to feel. And exhale, relax. For the next exercise, we are bringing our elbows into our sides and cupping our palms like we're cupping water, like we're holding the element of water that contains all of our emotions. We are going to put those above our knees and we're going to move as if we're scooping water up and throwing it over our back to cleanse ourselves. And the mantra is Waheguru, 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 Wahegeo. So we're mentally chanting that. We'll listen to the song and we're here for 31 minutes. It says to practice it for a minimum of 31 minutes. So that's what we are doing for 40 days. So get comfortable. Eyes are closed. Shoulders are nice and retracted. and we will begin.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿ ਜੀਓ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿ ਜੀਓ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ Waheguru, Wahejio, Waheguru, 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 Wahejio,
Keep going. Really
Waheguru.
focus your closed eyes at your third eye between your brows. Put some pressure on the ocular nerve.
Waheguru, Waheguru. ਜਿਉ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿ 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 ਜਿਉ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ Wage Jio, Wage Guru, Wage Guru, Wage Guru, 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 Wage Jio.
And inhale, stretch the arms back. Keep the arms straight and stretch, stretch, stretch behind you. Exhale, hold the posture. Inhale. Hold, apply the root lock, squeeze the rectum, sex organs, and navel in and up, pushing the energy up to the third eye and the crown. Hold the posture and exhale. Inhale. Hold, stretch the arms back one last time as far as you can. Open that heart center. And exhale, relax. Thank you so much for practicing with me on a Sunday. I love you all so much. May the longtime sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on. Let's inhale for 3 long Satnams together. Satnam is truth is my identity, truth I am at my core. So let's inhale. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Love to all, light to all, peace to all. Sat Nam. I love you all so much, and I hope you have a beautiful Sunday. I'll see you tomorrow, bright and early. Thank you.